This is not high tech, but look at it. There's obviously no rod ends, everything's just center to center right now. But we can change the configurations here. Here's our fully compressed. Something a little bit like that. Here's our fully extended. Here's our ride height. Here are the bell crank positions at ride height. Which looks pretty good, I'd say. And I've got another configuration in here for movable. Just drop the spring completely. You can actually look at it move now from stop to stop. You can see that top bell crank is pretty much totally linear. There's really nothing. I think there's a lot more progressive in the side link than there is in the actual shock link. So yeah, that's beautiful. That's definitely beautiful. So yeah, I don't have the rod ends modeled or anything, and this tire is kind of going crazy because we haven't done any tie rods yet either, but that's it, buddy. It's on there. So you just need to let me know if you're going to change the bell cranks at all. And then, yeah, pretty sweet.